How to share and create Google Drive folder. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever wanted to share a folder on Google Drive with your team or your friend or maybe with your family, but we are not quite sure how to do it right, this video is going to walk you through the exact step and nice and easy way. So in order to do that, first of all, you have to open your browser and then search for Google Drive. As you can see here, click on the first link and log in with your email address. Just click on the sign in. This is workplace, and click on the sign in. It will ask you to sign up with the Google Gmail if you are a new user. Then head over to home or my drive. So I have created two files, as you can see here. So if you want to create a new folder, just simply click on the new. So it's taking a little time to load because my internet is not that good. So simply click on this new button and create a new folder. So wait a second, and it will ask you to give your name. Then what will be the folder name? Family photos. Simply click on that. Now for the example, what I will do, I will just add this photo in the Google Drive in the family folder. So as you can see here, the photo is being uploaded. Now we uploaded photo successfully. Now if you have to share it, just simply click on the folder in the name. Just click over here and click on the share, hover on the share, and again click on the share. Now it will load a second, and over here you have to add people or groups and calendar events to share with. For example, I will click on this anyone and copy this my second email and go back and give the access this. So it will be editor. If you give the editor permission, it can organize, it can add files, and it can delete the file as well. Now you can give a message as well, message, and click on the send. So it will send link on his Gmail. Let's get back to our email. As you can see here, we got the email from that, and now I can open that. Just simply click here. Now I can upload my images as well. So simply this one. So I can easily upload image as well. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this tutorial, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.